My name is Ellie and I'm going to be singing Three Little Birds by Bob Marley.
Three little birds. Three little birds with lyrics.
Come on now. Every little thing gonna be alright. Not with the little birds at the doorstep. Melodies and pure and true. Say it. This is my message to you. Say don't worry about a thing. Cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning about a thing. Cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smiled with the rising sun. Be the little birds, stitched by my doorstep. In sweet songs, melodies and pure and true. Saying, this is my message to you. Saying, don't worry about a thing. Everything gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Because every little thing gonna be alright. About a thing. Cause every little thing gonna be alright. Worry about a thing. Cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Bye, Ellie Barker. Thank you for listening.